Hey, what's up guys? It's Rob from Paragon. Today we are going to be going over what the Maxton body kit looks like for the C8 Corvette. This is a 3-piece body kit, meaning you're going to get a front splitter, 2 side skirts, and a rear diffuser. Let's go look at the car behind us, which has it installed. Starting off here at the front of the car, we have the Maxton Designs front lip, which is going to replace your OEM one. That might be that cheap plastic. This is a durable ABS plastic, which is going to give you this nice gloss black finish, while also adding that aggressive style to the front of your C8 Corvette. And on both sides of the splitter, you will see it has the aggressive little winglets found on the front splitter, the side skirts, and the rear diffuser. But don't worry if the winglets aren't quite your style. We have a secondary kit that does not include the winglets for a much more sleek look and design. This front splitter, as an added bonus, will also give the appearance that the front of your C8 Corvette is lower to the ground than it actually is. So if maybe you're not ready to touch the suspension and go lower on your car, you can at least look a little better with the front splitter from Maxton. Moving on to the side of the car now, you'll see we have the Maxton side skirt, which complements the body lines of the car just like the front lip does. A little bit of added protection for these side skirts as well, as they extend out to help prevent rock chips and other road debris from chipping at your paint on the side. And just like the front splitter up front, you're going to get that aggressive winglet on the side here if you do decide to go with the winglet kit. So let's turn this car around and show you guys the rear diffuser. Here we are at the back of the car where we're going to be checking out the Maxton rear diffuser. Just like the rest of the body kit, this is also going to complement the body lines of the car and work well with those, also giving you an aggressive winglet here on the side. This kit's going to be a super easy install as well, using all of the OEM mounting locations as well as some 3M VHB tape. And that's the Maxton body kit with the wings installed. Like I said previously, we have 2 versions of this kit. The kit we've showed you today is the winged version, and we also have the wingless version. Both are available with images, pictures, and videos on the website, paragonperf.com. So when you're ready to upgrade your C8 Corvette, head on over to the website, add to cart, check out, and thank me later. As always, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like down below. Let me know in the comments what you thought of the Maxton kit. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and of course, don't forget to hit the bell notification button. As always, I'm Rob from Paragon, and I will see you guys in the next video.